मगोचे तिगातले दोग आमदार बाबू अजगावकार आणि दीपक पावसकार बीजेपीत गेले आणि मगोचो 2/3 विधिमंडळ गट बीजेपीत गेल्ल्या मगो विलीन जालो म्हूण सभापती मुखार दावो केलो. सुदीन एकलो आमदार उरलो. मात ह्या विलिनीकरणाक मगो पक्षाची मान्यताय नाशिल्ली वा मगो पक्षूय 2/3 फुटूंक नाशिल्लो. ताचे वेल्यान दोगांय आमदारांच्या अपात्रतायेचो वाद उप्रासला. पणजेचो राजकीय एक्टिव्हिस्ट आदोग्वाद सदानंद वांयगणकार हायकोर्टात गेला. ताणें दावो केला तो असो: 27 मार्चाक मगो विधिमंडळ गट बीजेपीत विलीन करून घेतना सभापतीन मगो पक्षाची परवानगी घेवंक ना. सभापतीची ऑर्द कायद्याक धरून ना. जाला तो व्यवहार मनमानी, बेकायदेशीर.
A prayer in petition there on 27th March 2019, the order given by Honorable Speaker of Goa Legislative Assembly is indeed a bad in law, and we challenge that order before Honorable High Court. As per that order, 2 MLAs from MGP has been merged into BJP, which is illegal, and as such, as per 10th schedule, para 2, both incurred disqualifications. Ingredients required for any merger is that first the party should take decision that merger is taking place, and then subsequently 2/3 of the members in the house should indeed accept that decision. In this case, one constituent is already missing. That party, MGP party, has not taken any such decision.
सुरुवातीचो आर्ग्युमेंट ऐकून हायकोर्टान बाबू अजगावकर, दीपक पावसकार, सभापती, सरकार आणि वेंचणूक आयोगाक नोटीस काढल्या. सगळ्यांची 30 एप्रिल मेरेन जाप मागल्या.
The government advocate just argued that it has been not signed by speaker, but just mentioned speaker written approved over there. It can't be the order. But Honorable High Court asked them that in fact any merger happened or not. On that question, this lawyer of the government had not given any particular answer as such. The court had issued notices to them, and the next hearing fixed on the 30th April 2019.
बाबू आणि पावसकराच्या पक्षांतराक मगो पक्षाची मान्यताय ना इतली खरी. अपात्रतायेचे कितें ते हायकोर्ट थारायतले. सध्या तरी दोगांच्याय माथ्यार अपात्रतायेची तलवार हुमकळटा खरी. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार आणि सिनियर व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट ओंकार फळारी.